Welcome to this new session, new video where we are going to discuss the questions and answers related to piping engineering. What we are going to do, we'll have one question on screen along with few options. Then we'll take a pause of 5 seconds to understand the question correctly. Then we'll look into each and every option given against the questions and we'll come up to the right answer. So we are going to discuss each question in detail. So this is going to be very interesting session. So let's start with the questions. Which statement is true related to flange? Flange is a method of connecting pipes, valves, pumps and other equipment to form a piping system. It also provides easy access for cleaning, inspection or modification. Flanges are usually welded or screwed. All of the above. Out of this, which statement is true related to flange? So the correct answer is D. This is actually a definition of flange. What is flange? Flange is a method of connecting pipes, valves, pumps and other equipment. We have so many nozzles on equipment, we can connect with the help of flange. Valves, we have flange ends. So that is how we make a piping system. Flanges are used to connect all the elements. It also provides easy access for cleaning. This is the main function of using flange. It is very easy to unbolt the flange and we can get the access for cleaning, inspection or if modification is required. So this is the function, this is the main function of using flange. One is joining, connecting the system elements, second is cleaning. Flanges are welded, screwed, that is also true. So the correct answer will be D. Flange joints are made by bolting together two flanges with a gasket between them to provide a seal, to make a joint, provide cushioning, all of the above. So the correct answer is A. Flange joints, there are two flanges with a gasket in between. So the main purpose of using gasket is to provide a seal. Joint is, even if gasket is not there, joint can also be there, but without a proper seal. The main purpose of giving gasket is to provide seal between two flanges. Flange, when we are using two flanges or it is at nozzle of equipment or pump or any vessel, there we need to join. Okay, flange main purpose is to connect but with proper seal. So gasket fulfills that purpose. So that is why we use gasket in between two flange joints. Usually the flange material is same as the pipe itself. Is it true or false? The correct answer is true. Whenever we are selecting the flange material, we have to first look whether which material we are using for pipes. So that there is no issue while welding, and also the mechanical properties for pipe we have already selected. So whenever we choose flange, we have to go for same material. Just wanted to bring into your notice that you can increase the speed from 1x to 2x. Go to the settings and change. Sometimes we know few of the things so that we can quickly go through the content by increasing the speed. Again, also we have few courses developed on piping engineering, 8 important elements where all the pipe, flange, steam trap, monitors, everything is covered, all the elements. Then piping layout, compressor, pipe rack, pumps, exchanger, columns, everything is covered. Then codes and standard, all the codes and standard mostly commonly used in piping industry are covered. Plotment development. So all these courses are available. Links are given in the description box. There will be lifetime access certificate will also be provided, so we can learn, refresh and record the content. So let's continue with the session. The purpose of RF flange is to concentrate more pressure on a smaller gasket area and thereby increase the pressure containment capability of the joint. Is it a true statement or false? So this is true. This is actually a definition of raised face flange. Why we are using raised face flange? Because we want to concentrate the pressure on a smaller gasket area. more pressure on a smaller portion, when we concentrate the pressure at a particular location, that will create better seal. Okay, there will be increase in pressure containment. Okay, when proper seal is there, then pressure containment capability of the joint will always improve. So this is the main function of using RF flange. ANSI establishes and accredits performance and quality standards for products and services in a wide variety of sectors, while ASME is primarily focused on boilers and pressure vessels. Is it a true statement or false? The correct answer is A. Okay, ANSI is a establishment which is establishing the rules and regulations, quality standards for products and services. Okay, but at the same time, ASME is an organization which is focusing majorly on boilers and pressure vessels only. All the design factors, okay, inspection, testing, all those things have been taken care by ASME, but the design guides, the quality standards, okay, established by ANSI. So this is a true statement. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned. This was all about this session. There are so many other videos available in playlists and on this channel. You can always look into this. You can always mention a topic in your comment section so that we can make videos on those topics also. I'm sure these are all very informative and adding value to your knowledge. So keep watching. Stay tuned.